Well, in the previous lecture, we have done transpose of a matrix and different properties of transpose of the matrix. So in this lecture, we will take few problems based on the topic transpose of matrix and properties of the transpose. So first is find the transpose of. So let the given matrix, we call it as A, -1, 5, 6, square root 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, -1. Therefore, A transpose, we can write it like this, or A slash or A T. So this is -1, 5, 6, root 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, -1 transpose. So what is transpose of matrix? When we obtained a matrix by interchanging rows into columns and columns into rows. So its order is 3 by 3. So again, the required order will be 3 by 3 because rows and columns are equal. So first row becomes first column. ये रो था, इसको हमने हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन को वर्टिकल में बदलना है, वर्टिकल को हॉरिजॉन्टल में. और दूसरा है रूट 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, -1. So this is the transpose of the given matrix. Now next is, we have done this property also, that if you will take the transpose of the sum of two matrices, then that will be equal to sum of the individual transpose of both matrices. So solution of second problem, A matrix is equal to -1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, -2, 1, 1. And B matrix is equal to -4, 1, -5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. Therefore, what is A transpose? That is equal to -1, 2, 3. First row becomes first column. 5, 7, 6, -2, 1. And what is B transpose? Again, first row becomes first column. 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. So we have to verify कि पहले दोनों का टोटल ले लें, फिर इनकी इंडिविजुअल जो ट्रांसपोज है उसका सम लेंगे. So what is A plus B? First matrix, is it defined? Is this sum is defined? A plus B is defined or not? Yes, it is defined. Why? Because order of both the matrices are same. Sum of two matrices is defined if their order is same. So what is A plus B? A plus B is -1 plus -4. I am writing it -5. Corresponding elements add हो जाएंगे. Corresponding 2 plus 1, 3, 3 -5 -2. 5 plus 1, 6, 7 plus 2, 9, 6 plus 0, 6. Are you getting it? This is 5. We are going to add 5 with this one. Corresponding elements. Second row, first column, second row, first column के जो elements हैं वो add कर दिए. -2 plus 1, -1, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 1, 2. Now, this is A plus B. So what is A plus B transpose? What is transpose of this? जो हमारा ए प्लस मैट्रिक्स आया, ए प्लस बी मैट्रिक्स आया, उसका जो ट्रांसपोज है वो क्या होगा? -5 3 -2 6 9 6 -1 4 2. Yeah. So our left side is this. Now we will calculate the right side. It was -1 A matrix, -1 5 -2 okay, this was transpose, -1 5 -2 and it is 2. All right, so now what is right side? A transpose RHS, A transpose plus B transpose, so that is -1 5 -2 2 7 1 and 3 6 1 plus B transpose is -4 1 1 1 2 3 -5 0 1. So what we are getting by adding these two? Again the addition is defined. क्यों है भाई एडिशन डिफाइंड है? क्योंकि सेम ऑर्डर है, 3/3 3/3, ऑर्डर 3 का ये मैट्रिक्स है. सो ए प्लस बी, नाउ कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स ऐड करने हैं. -1 -4 -5, देन 5 1 6, देन -1, then 2 plus 1 3, 7 plus 2 9, 3 plus 1 4, -2 6, and this is 2. Now see, both the matrices are equal, hence verified. So we have done this second problem. Now question third, first part. This was the solution of question number 2. Now third question, first part. What we have to verify? Product of transpose of the product of two matrices is equal to transpose of second into transpose of first. So third solution, A matrix A is 1 -4 3, B is equal to -1 2 1. Now see, it is, what is the order of this matrix? 3 rows 1 column. What is the order of this matrix? 1 row 3 columns. Now product is verified if number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second. So it is given for us that number of rows of the second matrix is equal to number of columns of the first matrix. So AB is defined because number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B. So what is AB? 1 -4 3, and B is -1 2 1. Its order is 3/1. Its order is 1/3. So this is equal. So what is the required order? 3/3. The required order is 3/3. See, First row with first column, second column, third column. We'll get the first row. So 1 into minus 1 to 1. When we multiply 1 with minus 1, 1 with 2, 2, 1 with 1, 1. अब second row को करिए 4, minus 8, minus 4. Third row को करिए minus 3, 6, 3. So therefore, AB transpose. What is AB transpose? Is equal to transpose of this matrix. Which one? Minus 1, 2, 1, 4, minus 8, minus 4, minus 3, 6, 3, transpose. So what is the transpose of this? We can write it here. So this implies AB transpose is equal to minus 1 to 1. Rows converted into columns. First row becomes first column. अब दूसरा रो है आपका 4 minus 8 minus 4. वो सेकेंड कॉलम बना दिया और तीसरा रो है वो थर्ड कॉलम बना दिया. ये आपका आ गया लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. Now we will find out the right hand side of this, that is B transpose A transpose. So what is B transpose? B transpose is equal to minus 1 to 1. What is A transpose? A transpose is equal to 1 minus 4, 3. Rows changes into columns and columns changes into rows. So its order is again 3 by 1. It is 1 by 3. So therefore, what is B transpose into A transpose? That is minus 1 to 1. Its order is 3 by 1 and A transpose is 1 minus 4, 3. Its order is 1 by 3. So what is the required order? Required order is 3 by 3. So क्या मिलेगा हमें? इनको मल्टीप्लाई करें. रिक्वायर्ड ऑर्डर 3 by 3 का रहेगा minus 1 plus 4 minus 3. सेकेंड से करें 2 minus 8, 6. थर्ड से करें 1 minus 4, 3. Now we can check that is both are equal, this one and this one. Yes. Therefore, it is verified. It is verified that AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Now, this is question number 8 of exercise 3.3. For the matrix A, verify that A plus A transpose is a symmetric and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. We have done this property also in the transpose. हमने किया था इस प्रॉपर्टी को और देखा था कि किस तरह से ये एक सिमेट्रिक पार्ट होता है और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक होता है. सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स कौन सी है? जिसका ट्रांसपोज अपने बराबर हो, और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक जिसका ट्रांसपोज नेगेटिव ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स के बराबर हो, माइनस ए के बराबर. सो सॉल्यूशन प्रॉब्लम 8. A is equal to 1, 5, 6, 7. What is A transpose? A transpose is equal to, ये रो का कॉलम बन जाएगा 1, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, A plus A dash, A transpose. Now, this addition is defined because both are square matrix. So this is equal to 1, 5, 6 7 plus 1 6 5 7. So this is equal to corresponding एलिमेंट्स ऐड हो जाएंगे. 1 plus 1, 5 plus 6, 6 plus 5, 7 plus 7. So this is equal to 2, 11, 11, 40. Now we have calculated the sum of matrix A and its transpose. Now we'll see कि भाई ये सिमेट्रिक है या स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. तो इसका ट्रांसपोज लेते हैं. This implies A plus A transpose whole transpose is equal to 2 11 11 14 का ट्रांसपोज लीजिए. इस मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज लीजिए. ये रो का कॉलम बन जाएगा. कॉलम का रो. Now see, its transpose is again equal to itself. Therefore, Aij transpose is equal to Aij. This implies A plus A transpose is symmetric. Is symmetric because when we have taken the sum of A plus A transpose and whole transpose when we have taken, तो जब इसका ट्रांसपोज लिया और वो उसी के बराबर आ रहा है तो नेचुरली ये आपका जो सम है ये सिमेट्रिक इन नेचर है. नाउ वी विल सी A minus A transpose. Also, what is A minus A transpose? That is equal to what is A? 1 5 6 7 minus A transpose 1 6 5 7. In the difference again corresponding elements to 1 minus 1, 5 minus 6, 6 minus 5. और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक में हमने क्या देखा था प्रीवियस लेक्चर में, उसके जो डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स हैं वो 0 होते हैं. सो दिस इज 0 minus 1 1 0 diagonal elements. Now we will find out A minus A minus A transpose whole transpose. So A minus A is equal to this 0 minus 1 1 0. This transpose. So rows becomes column and columns will be written as rows. So now this is equal to this. So we can take, if we multiply, we will take minus 1 as common from this. So 0 minus 1 1 0. So this implies Aij, or we can say here therefore Aij is equal to minus Aij. So this implies, or we can say that A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. Now see, we have written here Aij transpose is equal to Aij. Why? Because A plus A transpose is equal to, again we are getting A plus A. this one. A plus A is symmetric. You can write over here also. A plus A transpose whole transpose is equal to A plus A transpose. And also similarly यहाँ भी हमें लिख सकते हैं, जहां हमने ये लिखा वहां पर ये लिख लीजिए आप, अगर आपको कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है. A therefore A minus A transpose whole transpose is equal to minus A transpose. ये था हमारा इमेज. देख लीजिए स्क्यू सिमेट्री, क्योंकि यहां भी यही लिख सकते हैं. A plus A transpose whole transpose, this is equal to A plus A transpose. ये है. So now next problem. Tenth problem. Express the matrix. Let E 3, 5, 1 minus 1 as the sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. So a matrix can be written. We have done this theorem कि कोई भी मैट्रिक्स है उसको एक सिमेट्रिक और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स के पार्ट्स में, उसको ऐसे दो पार्ट्स में बदला जा सकता है जिसमें एक पार्ट सिमेट्रिक है और दूसरा स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक है. सो A ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 3, 5, 1 minus 1. अभी अभी देखा हमने A प्लस A ट्रांसपोज वो हमारा सिमेट्रिक होता है, A माइनस A ट्रांसपोज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक होता है. Therefore what is A plus A transpose? Half of A plus, because A plus A transpose का आधा लेंगे. Why we are taking half? Because half part will be symmetric. We have to prove it. ऐसे इसको बदलना है कि आधा पार्ट इसका सिमेट्रिक हो और आधा स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक हो. So this is equal to half of A. What is A matrix? 3, 5, 1 minus 1 plus 3, 1, 5 minus 1. So you can write here, let किसी भी नंबर के रूप में ले लो इसको P. P is equal to this. आसान रहेगा जब हम इसका ट्रांसपोज लिखेंगे. So this is equal to half of, ऐड कर दीजिए कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट 6, 6, 6 minus 2. कुछ नहीं, 3 इसको ऐड इसमें किया, इसको इसमें किया, इसको इसमें किया, इसको इसमें, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट को ऐड किया. सो दिस इज, अब डिवाइड कर दीजिए 6/2. हर एलिमेंट हमने देखा है स्केलर से जब मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई ईच एलिमेंट. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 3, 3, 3 minus 1. This is P. So this implies P is equal to 3, 3, 3 minus 1. Therefore P transpose क्या हो जाएगा? P transpose इसका ट्रांसपोज ले लीजिए. 3, 3, 3 minus 1 का ट्रांसपोज किसके बराबर आ गया है? 3, 3, 3 minus 1. ये उसी के बराबर है. नाउ दिस इज इक्वल टू, देखिए ये P ट्रांसपोज लिया हमने, P के बराबर आ गया. देयरफॉर P इज सिमेट्रिक. व्हाई? बिकॉज P ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू P. Now second part, let Q is equal to half of, we have seen A minus A ट्रांसपोज. ये जो पार्ट होता है ये स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक होता है. किसी भी मैट्रिक्स के ट्रांसपोज को उससे लेस करें, सबट्रैक्ट करें, और अगर उसमें ऐड करते हैं, सम लेते हैं, तो वो सिमेट्रिक होता है. And half we are taking because we are going to split the given matrix in two parts. So this is equal to half. What is A matrix? 3, 5, 3, 5, 1 minus 1. What is A transpose? 3, 1, 5 minus 1. So this is equal to what? Half. Again corresponding 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 1 minus 5 minus 4. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So this implies Q is equal to 0 by 2, 4 by 2, minus 4 by 2, minus 2 by 2. So that is equal to 0, 2, minus 2, minus 1. Therefore, Q transpose is equal to 0, 2, minus 2 minus 1 transpose, that is equal to 0, 2, minus 2 minus 1. So if we will take minus 1 as common, तो 0 का 0 रह गया, minus 2 था, बाहर चला गया minus 1, या मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया minus 1 से, plus 2 हो गया, ये minus 2 हो गया. This is 3, 1, 5, minus 1, A. 3, 5, 1 minus 1, 3, 1, 5 minus 1. Okay. So when we have subtracted it, 3 minus 3, 0, 5 minus 1, 4, 1 minus 5 minus 4, and minus 1 plus 1. देखिए ये एलिमेंट गलत हो गया यहाँ पर. What would be this? Minus 1 minus 1 minus plus 0. So we have to write here 0. So obviously it is 0. So this is 0. This is 0. This is 0. Okay. So now what is this? This is equal to minus Q. Therefore Q is a skew symmetric. Q symmetric. P is symmetric, Q is skew symmetric, but we have to show that P plus Q is equal to A. Then we can say that these P and Q are the parts of A. So we can write it here. We are keeping this A within the circle. Therefore, P and P plus Q. What is P? P was, we can calculate it again, A plus A transpose. So P is A plus A transpose half. So that is 3, this is 3, 5, 1 minus 1 plus, it was 3, 5, 1 minus 1. So obviously it is 6, 6, 6 minus 2. So this is 3, 3, 3 minus 1. Okay. By mistake, I have omitted this. So now P is 3, 3, 3 minus 1. What is Q? Q is equal to this one 0, 2, minus 2, 0. So this is equal to 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 minus 2, 1, minus 1. See, both are equal. So therefore, A is equal to half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. So these are the two parts, that is symmetric and skew symmetric. So in this way we can split any matrix in two parts where one is symmetric and other is skew symmetric. Symmetric means whose transpose is equal to itself, and skew symmetric whose transpose is equal to negative of itself. So हमने दोनों को पहले A plus A ट्रांसपोज लिया, हाफ ऑफ दैट किया. हमने एक थ्योरम भी पढ़ा था कि A plus A ट्रांसपोज सिमेट्रिक होता है, A minus A ट्रांसपोज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक होता है. तो उसमें फिर A minus A ट्रांसपोज का हाफ हाफ लेकर के दोनों को ऐड किया, एंड वी हैव शोन that any matrix, square matrix, can be split into two parts, that is symmetric and skew symmetric. Thank you.